Welcome to Vensire Studios. In today's video, we're going to be covering how to send your files out from Davinci Resolve Studios over to a network drive. So let's get this started. A little backstory before we get into this. I had a laptop that I was using for audio recording, and I had a 2.5-inch 2TB drive in there, meant to back up the client's files once we're done recording. And that laptop died and I had to replace it. The new one only accepts M.2s for storage, so obviously I needed a place to put this 2TB drive. And it just so happened I had a free SATA port on my NAS that I could attach it to, so that's what I did. I figured I'd use it as a render drive, because hey, why not, you know? Get it all set up on the NAS and we're off and everything should work, right? Set up the permissions, Handbrake didn't have a single issue rendering out to it. I figured all was pretty good, but I better double check inside Davinci Resolve just in case, you know, something could be different, and what do you know? I ended up with a few issues with it. Now, this is being done via Windows. I would hope that on like Linux and Mac it would be maybe kind of the same way in the very end, but you may have to look some other way to do it. I'm sorry. I only have it for Windows. So, as you see here, I've got no location to be saved currently. I'm going to hit browse. I'm going to select it on my map network drive here, X, and there we go, it's in here, and we're gonna have this render out, and you're gonna find out that as soon as I hit this, we're gonna get an error. Yep, there it is. This is what popped up before. Render job 1 failed as the current clip could not be processed. Davinci Resolve is unable to render to the specified path X as it does not have write permission. Kinda funny, this entire time for years now I've been editing off of the NAS from it reading and everything else and didn't have a problem, but now it's got a problem with a direct write out. That says please ensure that Davinci Resolve has write permissions for the path selected and the first drive you have listed in preferences. So it seems to be kind of straightforward for what it's saying. You go up to Davinci Resolve here, click Preferences, and this is what it's talking about. My current main mounting point on Windows is my M.2 for obviously scratching everything else that I'm doing. And I wanted me to add X, so I did that. Didn't fix it. I went into the general preferences of the timeline and told it to add it there. Didn't fix it. And now I'm looking all over the Blackmagic forums and on YouTube, and I'm not getting a single answer on how to get this finalized. I just thought to myself, what if I went to the direct network pathing itself? So we're going to delete X from here, go to browse. I have this under my quick access here, and just click save. Yes, I want to replace what's in there. But as you see here now, it shows the full location here as the backslashes ven-nash /render. This is the entire network pathing directly to it. Now, I'm going to swap one thing here because I don't want it to be messing with the NVIDIA encoder, because I got 2 of them currently going for recording this screen here and recording me in full 4K, so that's not going to work for any other encoders, and it's gonna like freak out OBS and everything and not do it properly. But here I got it added in to go out to AV1 MKV and just tell it to start, and there you go. It's fully rendering out the file and it's not having a single issue or causing a problem. Now let's get this loaded up. Oh, it's not even done yet. Now it's done. It's the nice thing about being an MKV, I can still load it on up, and you see rendered the entire thing out, didn't have a single problem, and it sent right out to the network drive itself. So yeah, if you are trying to do something instead of rendering it into a network drive, don't do it via a map to drive on Windows. You're not going to have a good time. Do it from the direct network path itself. Hopefully this video helps somebody, since like I said, I couldn't find one on this, and I like getting these like little niche videos going, you know. So Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. And if you liked what you saw here, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, thank you for supporting the channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye!